Turn it on and off.
Yeah, leave it on so it's running. So I wanted to hear this too. Is it on now?
Yeah, it's on now.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna take this here, the bottle. This is the material.
Okay.
Okay. And take the first material. Put it on here.
¿Quieres agua? ¿Quieres agua? ¿O sin agua?
No, no falta nada.
¿No falta nada?
No.
All right, let me get it from this angle.
Huh?
Let me get it from this angle.
This is what we did.
The sun is.
Clean all the water spots, everything off. Take a dry towel, clean dry towel. Wipe it off.
There you go.
Still got water spots around it. Cotton ball. Add a small amount of liquid to the cotton ball. And one way, not back and forth. That's it.
Wow.
Let it dry for 2 hours. Discard the cotton ball.